everyone. In today's video, I'm going to use a paper doily and see if I can get just some stamps out of the edges. I bought a pack that has a bunch of different sizes, but I'm just going to start off with this smaller one and do some stamping images on my pages in a few different areas. I really like just kind of that lacy look, and I have, this was a turquoise and black that I mixed, and it was a really pretty color. So I have a darker pink and then also a lighter pink. So just some really pretty shades. I have some white paint that was left over from a painting that I did on my other channel, so I'm just going to use up some of this. But I'm just going to start with this blue one, and the paint is really nice and thinned down because I used it for a pour. So you could use your brayer. I just grabbed a paintbrush and I'm just going to put a really light coat on this and see what it looks like. I was also thinking about taking something like this and using some spray paint, but I'm in my basement and I really don't want to spray a bunch of spray paint right now. So I might try that in the summertime and do a video outside. But I'm just going to, just because I know my hands are going to get nice and covered in paint. And another one. Okay, so I have my paint on there. Oh. And just see what kind of design this is going to do. And I noticed it looks like I had two doilies on there, so I'm going to pull that off. Okay, so that really didn't do much of a design. I think my paint is actually too thin. I'm going to try one more. So spray painting with this might be better, or putting this down and putting the paint over top. So I'm going to try some tube paint that's going to be thicker, and then put the doily down and then paint over it and see if that works at all. Who knows? It might just not work today. But I have this one, and I'm just going to do okay. Hey, that worked a little bit better. Okay, so thicker paint. I thought thinner would be better, but it looks like thicker paint is going to work out. So I'm just going to do a few different areas. I think it's almost like a stencil, but this one is just because of the doily pattern, I wanted to see what it looked like. Yeah, oh, that's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to do one more. I want to do one in this corner. Yeah, oh, I like that a lot. I think once this is dry, I may try and fit one more layer in here, or just do some other embellishments, but that's just a really nice little background. So I'm going to do my dark pink, and I'm thinking I can definitely go over this blue one again and just cover up those areas, because this is so light. That's not really gonna matter too much. But let's do this. There we go. That's really pretty. Okay. Do one over here. That one, it looks really nice. Okay, so let's do maybe just one more in this corner, and then I'm definitely going to do one in that corner and fill that in. Yeah, oh, that is really pretty on that pink. So I'm gonna try and just see if I can do one or two on this blue one, maybe over here, and put down just a little bit more paint. Yeah, oh, that is so pretty. Okay, do I have one more good? We're gonna do this. See how that, and that one looks, oh wow. Yeah, okay, so that works really well. I think if I can find some mandala stencils that are like this, that would create a really, really beautiful pattern, especially if you could get something that is also filled in the middle, and you could just do some full pages. But yeah, that is so very pretty. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to let these dry and we'll get a picture, but thank you guys so much for watching today. Super easy tool, turned out really pretty. Tube paint worked better than paint that was thinned down, but we're always testing and trying new things to see what'll work. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you tomorrow.